There's the gun barn. Let's see what this gun barn looks like. Oh yeah. Watch for slippers for you, Sal. If they got any that are reasonably priced in here. I doubt it, but we don't know if we don't look, huh? Oh, their gun barn's not very big. Pet shop, okay. Sammy some more kind of treats or something in here, maybe. Wow. Really wow. Jeez, oh criminy, man. And giant bags of peanuts. My buddy John was a peanut fanatic. He'd buy those.
Just the whole entire bag?
Oh yeah, he'd carry them around in his pockets and just eat them all the time. Yeah. I don't know if those might be for squirrels or something. I don't really know. Straight from farm to you. Well, I don't know. Maybe for both. Because there's squirrel corn probably. And, you know, squirrels eat them. I don't know. John used to really buy them up huge. And he ate them. Look at the sunflower seeds. What they are. They look like sunflower seeds to me. Yeah, they are sunflower. I'm looking for treats for Sam. Well, we should have been right around them there, actually, Sal. I was watching for them there. Oh, look at all the trail mix and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That's like a trail mix right there. They call it festival mix, country mix, sportsman's mix. Original summer sausage, peppered beef jerky. Ooh, look at the big ones.
Yeah.
Original summer sausages. Look at the giant bags of cashews. Wow.
And their popcorn smells good.
Yeah, it does. We'll go get you some. Look at them big bags of peanuts. Wow. $6.99 for that giant bag of peanuts. I might have to buy some of those. Wow, nice. Oh, look at all the spices. Dill weed, curry powder. Do they have my ginger? Callaway, cilantro, I guess they'll be in alphabetical order. There's garlic powder, thyme, steak seasonings, pulled barbecue pork seasonings. Wow. Wow. coffees. Holy cow. Sal's over getting him some popcorn. Rural King always gives away popcorn free. Fill your bag up. Cotton candy cake. Look at that. Never saw that. Cotton candy cake, Sal. Look at that.
Okay. Hi.
I might as well get a coffee in here. Yeah, I will. Okay, here's all the snacky stuff, Sal. Chocolate covered pretzels, vanilla blueberry pretzels, red, white, and blue chocolate pretzels. That must be a mixture of them. Almond, chocolate covered almonds. There's dark chocolate covered almonds. Yeah, yum. Cake. Well, fudge and stuff like that. What is that? Oh, it's more cotton candy stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, yes.
Banana, strawberry banana, unicorn. Wow. Wow. Wily Wallaby.
Huh.
Okay, that's a long enough video, guys.